Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Veteran Ivory Coast sprinter Marie-Josée Toulouse says she wants to put on a good show for her Jamaican fans at Saturday's Jamaica Athletics Invitational meet set for the National Stadium. Toulouse is coming off a blistering ankle leg at the World Relays in the Bahamas, which helped the Ivory Coast qualify for the sprint relay to the Paris Olympics. She arrived in the island on Monday.
I start really by the relay, so I think I'm in good shape. I'm going to see, but I hope I will do a good competition, a great race, and let the Jamaican enjoy it. Well, this one, is my coach who can respond to that one. I will say, okay, I hope to run in 10 seconds something, but I don't know really. Because coming here, I was still training, and my coach said, let's open the relay, so we'll see where you are at. So I don't know. We'll see, be a surprise, who knows?
Meanwhile, silver medalist in the men's 400 meters from last year's World Championships in Budapest, Britain's Matthew Hudson-Smith, also arrived on Monday. Smith, who has Jamaican heritage, has a personal best of 44.26, and he says he's putting in the background work to go even faster at the Olympics.
I've got the Olympic qualifying already, but you can run as fast as you can now. It doesn't really matter, because if you run fast now and you don't run fast at the Olympics, that's not a medal. So, like I said, the plan's just to execute, have some fun, enjoy Jamaica, probably see some family, because my nan's going to make me see them, so enjoy the life. And yeah, it's paradise, man, so I'm excited to be here.
Live and exclusive coverage of the Jamaica Athletics Invitational can be seen on TVJ, TVJ SN and One Spot Media, with the radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Now, Jamaica's Reggae Boys have been drawn in Group B of League A for the 4th edition of the CONCACAF Nations League. The Nations League bronze medalists are drawn alongside Honduras, Trinidad and Tobago, Cuba, Nicaragua and French Guiana. The fixtures are to be published, but Jamaica is expected to play the top 2 ranked teams in the group, Honduras and Trinidad, and one of the lower ranked teams. The league will kick off in September of this year and will see the top 2 teams from each group joining the USA, Canada, Mexico and Panama at the quarterfinal stage between November 11 and 19. The semi-finals take place on March 20, 2025, with the final set for March 23. Host Paris Saint-Germain will look to overturn a 1-0 deficit against the Borussia Dortmund when the teams meet in their UEFA Champions League second leg semi-final this afternoon. A 36-minute goal from Niklas Füllkrug had given Borussia Dortmund a 1-0 win in the first leg semi-final last week in Germany. But the French champions will take confidence from having overturned a 1-goal deficit against Barcelona in the quarterfinals, winning 4-1 in the second leg. Meanwhile, Real Madrid and Bayern Munich will meet in their second leg semi-final tomorrow in Spain. The teams are locked at 2-2 from their first leg in Germany last week. And that is the full-time whistle. That is it for your lunchtime sports, and I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.